Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're going to do a quick exterior detail on my Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. And as you can see, it's covered in disgusting road salt and grime from the winter roads. And we just got to take care of it. And we got some new products today from 303. They sent me. It's actually going to be very quick. And that's why I said that. I'm going to show you them now and show you what the process is. All right, so the main product we want to test here is this brand new touchless sealant. And what it is, it's actually like a spray-on wax and sealant, but you don't have to do anything. All you do is spray it on and then rinse it right off. So we're going to see how well this works. It's supposed to last 6 months. And say goodbye to waxing. That's awesome. So I can't wait to try that. But before we do, of course, we have to wash the vehicle, and they sent me the concentrated car wash as well, which I've never tried. So we're going to test that one out as well. And I'm just going to clean the paint with my nano sponge and while we're washing. So it'll be a quick one. We're going to rinse it down real good as the first step to get all that grime off as much as we can. Okay guys, you can see I finished the rinse down, and what I want to show you here is there's basically no wax left on the vehicle. You can see no beading. It's been over a year probably since I waxed it, so just want to show you how it starts, and hopefully we're going to get a lot better results after we use the product. We are, of course, going to use a 2-bucket method, and the directions for the wash says use 1 ounce for 5 gallons of water. These buckets are 6-gallon buckets, but not going to fill them up, of course. So we'll get them filled up and get started. All right, as far as the 303 washes, the first pass is just going to be with a microfiber mitt, and it has a bubblegum scent to it, which is nice. Looks like it's sudsing pretty well. So the second step, if you've seen this in past videos, is the nano skin sponge, which is a synthetic clay that I use. And I use this right when I'm washing. So right after the microfiber mitt, I dunk this in the soap and go over that whole area. And this will pick up any kind of debris that are stuck in that paint. And I can hear it and feel it. Okay, I completed washing the hood with the microfiber mitt and the sponge. Just do a quick rinse, set soap off for now. And I'm going to continue going over the whole car, but as you can see, no wax effect even with that wash. All right, guys, I completed the wash and paint decontamination. Definitely not necessary to use that nano sponge to decontaminate the paint, but I like to do it before any wax application. And the wash definitely did its job. It held up with suds all the way through the end of the wash. Nothing out of the ordinary here, just good quality basic wash. So now let's get to the fun part and put on the sealant. Okay, it says to start with one section of vehicle at a time, and you're going to start right after washing. So I'm going to give a quick rinse again. Dried off a little bit while I was finishing the vehicle. And as you can see, still no beading of that water. So now it's ready for the product to apply. Okay, so we're going to just start spraying. And it says immediately rinse off. So it's already, I can see, beading. Let's get that hose. Wow. Wow. Yeah, yeah, it's working. That is amazing. Truly amazing with the amount of work you have to do, which is nothing. I'm really impressed. Now, I might try to go over it again. It looks like where the water puddled up, that spray did not get down on that paint. So I might have to open the hood, get that water to drain off, and then I'm going to apply it again. So hold on. All right, let's apply a little more here, especially in those areas where that water was puddling. And let's spray it off again. Wow. Yeah, this is really cool. And it's nice and smooth. I like it. I like it. All right, I'm going to go around the vehicle. I'm going to also treat the windshield because it says it's good for glass and it's good for wheels. So I'm going to treat everything and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, went around the whole vehicle, sprayed each section down and rinsed it off. And look at that. Look at that beading. Amazing. On all sides. Did the tires and wheels. It looks great. It looks great. I am really impressed. This is the 303 Products Touchless Sealant. Again, there is no touching. You just spray it on, rinse it off. Amazing. I'm really impressed by it. I think there may be some others on the market now. Definitely tell me below if you've tried any others or if you tried this one. Let me know what you think. The only thing left to do is dry it. And got a nice big microfiber. Look at that. No streaks. Feels really nice to paint. Yeah, awesome product. So anyway, all the links to the products will be listed below. Let me know what you think about them. Again, this may be the best 303 product I've tried, and I've tried several now. So really happy with it, and it makes cleaning so much easier. There's really no excuse not to wax your car with this product. You can do this every 6 months during a normal wash. We'll see if it lasts 6 months, but even if it doesn't, it's so easy to apply more. It's not a big deal. So, all right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a like if you did. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.